Vardhaman College of Engineering, established in 1999. Vardhaman College of Engineering has achieved academic and technical excellence. Full-fledged and marvelous infrastructure are housed in a total building space of 281,000 SFT. We provide students exposure to national and international knowledge experts through regular seminars, conferences hosted on campus. A world-class air-conditioned auditorium with 600 seating capacity. Our hostel with 24-hour security is just another home for the students. A canteen and coffee day for the students to chill out. A fleet of 32 brisk and luxurious buses ply from all corners of Hyderabad and Secunderabad to VCE, making communication easy and enjoyable. The bus facility is provided at a nominal fare for students. We created a semi-transparent walkway of greenery and flowers. Greenery in terms of the grass, permanent green plants, trees and flowers have been laid down all over the campus. VCE is affiliated to JNTU Hyderabad, approved by All India Council for Technical Education, accredited by National Board of Accreditation, granted autonomous status by JNTUH. BTech programs. All the required drawing halls, classrooms, faculty rooms, e-classrooms are housed. MTech programs. CSC, SE, DECS, WMC, Power Electronics and Electrical Drives, Embedded Systems and Engineering Design. Other post-graduation programs. Master of Computer Applications MCA and Master of Business Administration MBA. ECAD Laboratory. Our students have unrestricted round-the-clock access to air-conditioned computer laboratories equipped with structure fiber optic and UTP cabling network and other relevant software. Microprocessors and Embedded Systems Lab. The students are privileged to have access to our state-of-the-art computer laboratories, which are home to over 1081 computers including Dell, Lenovo and HP make. Electrical Machines Laboratory. Electronics is a fundamental to many of the electrical and electronic appliances that we use today. This makes the job of an electronic engineer both exciting and challenging. CAD or CAM Laboratory. 3 CAD or CAM labs are established which allow extremely accurate and complex shape to be made in a relatively streamlined manner. 2D and 3D shapes in digital design environments can be processed through our sophisticated CAD or CAM software programs. Engineering Chemistry Laboratory. In the Chemical Engineering Laboratory, learning is done by doing. Within well-organized laboratories, students and faculty from across disciplines come together to make the experiments lively and interesting, using state-of-the-art specialized equipment, novel processes and technologies. Machines Laboratory. Machines Laboratory is a multitude of mechanical engineering advancements happening in the world's workshop. The department has well-equipped laboratories as per university norms. Electronics Laboratory. The Electronics Department has very well established air-conditioned laboratories with sophisticated equipment supplementing the academic needs of the students. Power Electronics and Control Systems Laboratory. Information Technology Laboratories. The Department of Information Technology maintains sophisticated labs. What this means for our students is that you have access to all the latest Microsoft development tools. IBM Center of Excellence Laboratory. The Computer Center houses powerful servers which provide computational environment comprising of multiple operating systems. Dennis Ritchie Laboratory. Microsoft Windows, Linux, and Unix can be accessed from any of the nodes attached to the servers across the campus. Fluid Mechanics Laboratory. Fluid Mechanics Laboratory combines a series of unique experimental systems for investigation of viscous and viscoelastic flow phenomena. Library and Information Center. The Central Library. It has a modern infrastructure with a reading capacity of 500 students. First floor accommodates circulation books, newspapers, etc. Second floor accommodates reference books, current periodicals, etc. It has the collection of 49,812 volumes of books as on 24th May 2012. Sports. Various sports facilities are provided to the students within the campus. Cricket ground with floodlights. The International Standard Stadium is currently at the feasibility stage. Basketball courts, volleyball courts, badminton courts, etc. Indoor games. Table tennis tables, chess and carom boards are also placed. We at the helm of Vardhaman College of Engineering aim at inculcating the spirit of high ambitions, healthy attitudes, discipline and multi-dimensional excellence in the students and strive to mold them to scale new heights and get their mental horizons enlarged through value-based technical education and congenial study environment. Vardhaman is therefore a history of vision and a legacy of innovation.